Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You open Samsung Notes and immediately create a note. That gets you working. First, tap the app icon or search for Notes, then sign into your Samsung account so syncing works across devices. Once signed in, press the plus new Note button and pick your input mode, type with the keyboard, record voice, or use the S Pen for handwriting. This first step lets you capture ideas quickly and choose the format that matches how you work best. Once you have notes, organize them so you can find things fast. Create folders and apply tags. Tap plus folder to add one, then drag notes into it, which helps later. Make use of editing tools. Select pen thickness and color, erase mistakes, and use lasso select to move handwriting. You can also insert images, attach voice recordings, import PDFs, and convert handwriting to text. That conversion makes handwritten ideas searchable and editable, which saves time. Finish by sharing and safeguarding your work so nothing is lost. Export notes as PDF or share a link, or send content to OneNote or Google Drive for collaboration. Make sure Auto Sync is enabled in Settings and back up to Samsung Cloud or another service to protect data. If something goes wrong, check your internet connection, confirm you're signed into the same Samsung account, and verify app permissions for storage and microphone. Doing that usually fixes common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.